Hi guys, I am Nash and I'm back with another video for you. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this top. And this top is very special today kasi this is the first top na inilabas ko when I launched my new shop. Yay! So I opened a clothing shop where I made my own clothes there. So, anyway, so I made own clothes there kasi diba, I've been doing thrift flips here and a lot of people have been asking me na, Nash, hindi mo ba ibibenta yung mga ginagawa mo? So yeah, finally I've decided to make stuff and ayun, to let you buy. Mali. Kasi diba, not all have the luxury of time to do the thrift flips. Well, at least makakagawa ako ng mga stuff na masasuot nyo rin. Yay! So, my shop is at madeby.ne.ph. It's NE because N for my name and E for the name of my business partner. So, para dalawa kasi kami na inspired magganyan. So, siya yung pumilit sa akin na why not try to open something about fashion, diba? Kasi I've been into plants nga. Ayan. So, ayun. Thank you for supporting nga pala my first opening. We've had orders. So, now, I don't want to be selfish. Of course, gusto ko nagawa rin kayo ng sarili nyo. That's why I want to teach you how to make the first top and all the tops that I'm gonna be selling ay gagawa ako ng tutorial so that you will be inspired also to make your own, diba? So, double, ano na din yan, two birds in one shot. I can make a YouTube video and I can sell it, diba? Ayun, yay. So, anyway, guys, I'm going to teach you how I did this top. It's very easy. The video is gonna be so short kaya dito ko na ipinasok yung promotion of my shop. So, if you wanna see how I made this top in very, very easy way, ayan. So, I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna teach you how I did it. So, let's go to the video. Bye!
Speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey.
So, we start off with our fabric. I chose satin fabric, yung mas makapal. Kasi, para maganda yung ruffles niya, kaya makapal yung kinuha kong tela. So, I started off ng paggupit ng fabric para sa aking magiging work area. So, ang gagawin ko dito is 11 inches yung top, yung length ng top from my chest hanggang dun sa baba kung how crop I want it to be. And the width of the top, how ruched you want it, is 16 inches. So, we will be working with two rectangles only. Yung two rectangles na yon ay magiging front part because it is backless. So, magiging overlapping siya together para pwede siya maging reversible. So, if you want to add your other style dito, pwedeng magkaibang color siya ng satin para reversible yung style. So, here, I'm cutting two rectangles. If malaki yung fabric mo, you can do what I'm doing para at least equal siya. I'm just gonna fold it in half and cut it in one part. At least, I will only be sewing the seams of the three sides of the rectangle. But, if you have a small fabric, you can overlap two, tapos just attach it together. Yung four seams ay yung tatahiin. So, make sure you have remaining fabric. Ito, which is for the straps. I use the straps gamit yung remaining fabric. I use 3 inches thick yung straps because I am still going to sew it in half, so magiging 1.5 inch siya. For easier cutting, I fold the fabric into 4 parts and cut the one side where I marked yung part na 3 inches lang. If you're good at sewing na, you can make it 2 inches para mas manipis yung straps. So here I am marking the strap and eventually cutting it. Make sure to cut it straight because hindi na tayo nag-bias cut for the strap. Strap lang naman yan. So, ayan, I'm carefully cutting it. Make 2 kasi magiging 60 cm lang yan. Ay, 60. Make 2 because it's just gonna be 60 inches if you want the straps to be longer. So you have more working area than sa straps. You can crisscross it around your body. It's all up to you. So I made 2 of it. I'm gonna attach it. So here are the fabric that you are gonna work with. The 2 rectangles or 1 big rectangle that you're gonna fold in half. And the 2 straps. So along the sides, leave an empty spot for where you can flip it. So now when sewing the straps, you have to fold it into 4. So yung dalawang sides, i-fold ko sa gilid, then I'll fold it into half. So magiging parang 4 part siya. So eventually, magiging close to 1 inch lang yung isang strap. And sew it all the way. After sewing the straps, make sure na nasew mo na rin yung seams, no? Yung big rectangle. And of course, before working on it, flip it right side. Ayan, I'm flipping it right side up before I make a tunnel para dun sa may straps niya. So now, I'm planning to make a tunnel. Ayan, 1.5 inch from all the seams yung tunnel na lulusutan nung paglalagyan ko ng strap. So just sew 2 straight lines. 2 straight lines lang. No need to worry about kung gaano ka. Once the sewing is done, bubutasin lang yung gilid, or if you have a seam ripper, rip the seam ng gilid nung may dalawang lines, and that is where you will insert your straps. So make sure na bubutasin yung 4 kasi up and down yung gagawin mo ng straps. Yan. So next is you are going to put it inside. I have 2 ways para magawa itong paglalagay na to, pero the second one will be easier. The first one is using a stick. Tapos, ipapasok mo siya all the way inside hanggang sa dulong-dulo, which is kinda hard. So, if you have a safety pin, which I will be doing on to the next part, then that is what I recommend you to use. Kasi yung stick na yan, yung chopstick na yan, medyo mahirap kasi lalo na malaki yung chopstick. So, let's just do the second part. I'm just showing it to you if wala ka kasing safety pin. Ayan, for the safety pin naman, just pin the end part of the straps, and ayun yung ipapasok mo all the way doon sa tunnel. So, for the tunnel na papasukan, ipapasok lahat pati yung safety pin kasi lalabas din naman yan sa gilid. So, pasok lang ng pasok. Make sure na hindi maaalis yung safety pin inside, or yung safety pin matutusok, matatanggal sa pagkatusok, at matusok yung tunnel. Hindi mo siya mag-go all the way through. So, ito na yung finished product. So, para mag-discover kung paano inilagay yung straps, it's from the up, tapos gagawa ka ng curve dun sa gilid for the sleeves, then sa down ulit, overlap. So, makikita mo yung down part ay may dalawang overlap yan na strap. Magkakasya naman yan, guys, kasi manipis lang yung strap. So, it's time for the try on. If you want it to make to look smaller and fitter on yung i-ruch nyo pa yung harapan, just make sure yung gitna ay alam nyo where, para hindi siya masyadong, para pantay yung pagka-ruch, yung pagka-ruffles niya sa harapan. So that is it, you guys. I hope you learned something from the video and you also get inspired to make your own clothes. But if you don't have the sewing machine, you don't have the time, you don't have the courage to DIY any, I'm here to the rescue again. So please like and follow my shop. It's at madebynE.ph. It's on Shopee, it's on Instagram, it's on TikTok, and it's on Facebook also at madebynE, letter N, letter E.ph. So I will sell tops there. I have 4 tops na, but I will also post all the tutorials here. I have 4 tops na sa collection, mga crop tops siya. I will be selling dresses, skirts, anything that you can think of na kaya kong gawin. Ayan. So, thank you guys for watching. And if you want to see more of this, please subscribe to my channel and like the video, and also tap the bell on so you get notified every time I post. Follow me on all my social media accounts, Instagram and Twitter at Queen Nash Rapi. See you in my next video. Bye!